Today we are going to do a little experiment. We dug a hole about 1 foot deep on top of this berm that overlooks one of our ponds. We filled the hole up with an equal mixture of sand, clay, and peat moss. We are going to plant 4 Bambusa oldhamii seeds about 1 inch deep. This species of bamboo is the clumping type, which means it's not invasive. Even though some people refer to Bambusa oldhamii as giant bamboo, there are many species of bamboo that grow taller and have a wider diameter. Bambusa oldhamii grows about 60 feet tall and 4 inches in diameter. It can tolerate temperatures down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. The shoots of this bamboo are edible and are considered a delicacy, and the bamboo is used for making furniture. We are going to cover these seeds up with this plastic cup and check on it in a few weeks to see how it's doing. It's been 2 weeks since we planted the bamboo seeds. Go ahead and take the cover off the bamboo. As you can see, only 1 bamboo seed germinated. We are going to put the cover back over the bamboo to keep it warm and humid around the bamboo plant.